My name is Malin Löfgren and I'm the business manager of Total Workstation. As the complexity of your production increases, the need for mechanisms to ensure continued high quality of the end product is increased. To achieve this, you want to error-proof the process and minimize mistakes. Today, this is often done by relying heavily on improving the skills of the operators continuously, or by adding more resources. Sometimes supporting systems are built in-house. This requires spending enormous amounts of time and effort on training, record keeping, and paper documentation, or maintenance of a system that's outside of your core business. But what if you could make it easy for your operators to do a good job by error-proofing your processes? With a plug-and-play intuitive system which guides and supports your operators, you can ensure that the right activity is being done at the right time. Today, I would like to present what smart integrated assembly means and focus on the station-level transformation. Throughout all manufacturing industries, the challenges we are facing are very much the same. With the fast-changing demand from end customers, flexibility is becoming a key factor. The need of producing multiple product variants in the same assembly line and the demands for quick rebalancing of the factory to adapt to the new products or production rates is triggering the complexity in the factories, and it results on higher dependency of the operators to achieve the quality standards. Thus, human interaction with systems is more critical than ever before, and sustainability is a key challenge in manufacturing that we all need to act on now.
Building our modern society has come at a cost. Climate change is the defining issue of our time, and we are all aware that we must take action. But there is hope. The indisputable changes we see in the world and a growing awareness among the public are building pressure on governments and businesses to act. The industrial sector, which includes the manufacturing industry, accounts for roughly 1/5 of the global greenhouse gas emissions. The industry must therefore change to become part of the solution. By integrating new technologies, analytics and machine learning into their production facilities, manufacturers are creating the fourth industrial revolution through smart factories. The Atlas Copco Smart Integrated Assembly is our concept for manufacturers looking to transform into a smart factory. As a strategic partner, we help you to take the leap to the era of Industry 4.0 and realize your smart factory. No matter where you are in your transformation journey, and regardless of which industry you work in, we will support you on your road to the smart factory. Together, we will take responsibility for a sustainable future.
The big question is how we can support you to transform while staying profitable and sustainable. With a flexible ecosystem, we can help you transform your manufacturing processes and help you fulfill your sustainability, productivity, and profitability goals. We call it Smart Integrated Assembly by Atlas Copco, your integrated partner for the smart factory and beyond. And we will do so by delivering products that will support you on having an increased uptime, reduce the defects, increasing your flexibility to introduce new products or variants, improving your productivity rates with easy human interaction, and reducing your energy use for a sustainable tomorrow. But where are you on this transformation journey, and what is your next step? So, in your journey towards a smart integrated assembly, we assume here you already have the proper tools and controllers, and you have your tightening process figured out. But it's more than just one tightening being done in a station. The process in one station can be very complex. Operators might need to tighten different bolt types, follow a specific sequence when tightening and assemble different parts. This can be challenging even for an expert operator, so imagine for a new operator or if new variants or operations are added. With Atlas Copco workstation solutions, we help the operators to do the right job. Error-proofing systems like operator guidance, tool location solutions, or socket selectors will make sure that even the less experienced worker is always doing the job right the first time. Error-proofing systems like operator guidance, tool location solutions, or socket selectors will make sure that even the less experienced worker is always doing the job right the first time. With our operator guidance system, we guide the operator not only during the tightening process, but for all the steps in the assembly. Here it shows the operator that needs to take the part and place it in the battery. Once the part is placed in the battery, the operator can check this task as done. Then the operator guidance will move to the next step, showing that now it is time to pick the right bolt and the right socket. The smart socket tray will show the operator what socket to pick by turning on the white light and will let all systems know that the socket has been picked. In case the wrong socket was picked, it will not let the tool run. The operator guidance can also be connected to external error-proofing solutions, such as a pick-to-light system, that will make sure the operator picks the right type of screw for the task to be done. Once the right screw and socket are picked, the operator can start doing the tightening. But the guidance sometimes is not enough to make sure operator is tightening the screw where it needs to be tightened. Then our tool location solutions will make sure the tool is in the exact position as shown by the guidance, making sure the operator is performing the tightening in the right position and following the right sequence. Then the operator can be sure that every OK in the tool has been applied with the right screw, the right parameters, and in the right position. Once the process is completed, results are shown in the screen and part will be ready to go. Then a new part will come up and process starts again. Then again the process is repeated. But it might happen that there is a break or even an operator switch. But that's not the problem, since thanks to the error-proofing solutions, there is no need to remember what has been done or what is the status of the process, as the operator guidance will let you know what is left to do, and the error-proofing solutions will make sure it is done properly. And even more, if a new variant comes in place, there is no need for a training to make sure it is done with high quality from the first minute, as the only thing that needs to be trained will be our error-proofing solutions, and that needs to be done only once. Here we have one real example where a customer experienced lack of control and guidance in the station, as well as high effort to scale the production. The customer made the transformation with our error-proofing solutions, which helped them to reduce by 5 times the amount of errors, decreasing the rework and scrap rate, and that together by reducing the training time for new operators by 90%, which helped also reduce the inefficiency cost during the onboarding. A good installation is a foundation of a successful operation. Atlas Copco's installation services will support you in achieving that. Our certified service engineers work with a standardized process that will ensure that the installation is done right the first time. This way you can be sure that you will get the most out of your investment and that your operation can be up and running as quickly as possible. To ensure the maximum lifetime and performance of your tools, we offer maintenance products for all your needs. From parts and repairs to full uptime contracts where we will keep your line up and running as well as give you on-site support tailored to your needs. I hope we could show you how the station control level will realize control of your manual assembly and how you can error-proof your process with a plug-and-play system to optimize your operator's workflow. With smart integrated assembly, we can help you transform your manufacturing processes and help you fulfill your sustainability, productivity, and profitability goals. As Atlas Copco, we will support you on your road to the smart factory. And this is how we will continue to offer you increased uptime, reductions in defects, seamless new product introduction, improved productivity, along with easy and smart human interaction, as well as achieving manufacturing design for energy efficiency and a sustainable future. Atlas Copco, your integrated partner for a better tomorrow.